Whoa, what's going on YouTube? What's going on with you? I am back with another video for Robinhood. I'm doing something different today. I'm gonna show you. I've been investing in stocks. I did it earlier this year. I stopped, but I'm starting back. 'Cause I want to build passive income. Um, when you run blogs and YouTube channels and you want to build passive income, I do a lot of cashback apps as well to build passive income. Stocks is another one that can build passive income. So I'm gonna go through my stocks that I own. I don't own a lot of stocks, but I own a lot of stocks here. Not a lot of shares, but a few shares, but not a lot of stocks. I'm gonna show you all the stocks that I buy, why I buy them, and my dividend payments as well. Um, Excuse me. So here I have ESSA, a Seer XM. That was a free stock I got for letting somebody, with my affiliate link, and I get a free stock and they get a free stock. So if you don't have Robinhood, um, and you want a free stock, below my link to Robinhood, I get a free stock for doing the video and take my time doing the video and editing the video, and you will get a free stock for signing up. So I have two shares of Kernel Capital Real Estate. Price is $13.52. Total returns up $3.58. So that's pretty good. I own three shares of Dynex Capital, and at $16 a share a piece. Gladstone Investments, an investment company. Whitestone REIT on three shares of those. GE was another free stock I got on one stock of those. Chesapeake Energy, I think was a free stock I got for signing up with Robinhood. Stag Industries is $30.83. It's up 54 cents today. And I own one stock of those. Comstock Mining is I got that free also, 46 cents. The Global X Super Dividend USA ETF, it was $23.33. I've made 24 cents so far if I want to trade today. In New York Mortgage Trust, I own three shares of those. Prospect Capital on two shares. Orchard Island Capital, Oxford Lane Capital, one share. Orchard, two shares. AG&C Investment, two shares. Blue Knight Energy, one share. It's down 14 cents right now. Associate Properties, $1.07 a share. Groupon, one share. I bought that when I first started Robinhood. Apple Hospitality REIT, two shares. The Bank of China, one share for $10. Ford, three shares. New Residential Investment, one share. And as for Hospitality Trust, can't speak today, it's one share as well. So I see most of these stocks are REITs, real estate investment trusts, because most of these pay a monthly dividend. The Bank of China, I kind of want to diversify my portfolio, go to foreign soils. So the Bank of China is $10 a share, and they pay a really good dividend every quarter. Ford is coming out with electric cars. They got a lot of money behind it, and Ford, everyone drives a Ford. All the police vehicles are Ford vehicles, so they're constantly being bought and sold. And there's only three major trucks on the road: Ford, Chevrolet, and GMC. Maybe some Dodges, maybe a Dodge Ram. But most trucks around here, people drive Ford trucks, and Ford is just the Ford been around forever and will continue to be forever. Now they're trying to make the electric cars, so they're going into the future. So Ford, it's $10. It's like it's down right now, which is good because you could buy it cheap and hold it. But they pay a 15 cent dividend every quarter. So I get a dividend from them every quarter. So let's look at the dividend payments. History. We'll go with dividends here. So I'm getting a dividend payment for Orchard Island Capital. I own two shares, and I get 8 cents per share, which is 16 cents. This is a monthly dividend stock. It's a very cheap stock. It's only like $5 for that stock. All right. So Prospect Capital on 2 shares of those, 6 cents per share. I get 12 cents every single month. Now you might be thinking that's not a lot of money, but if you buy enough of these shares, you get this passive income every month. And I've been studying. I've seen people online on YouTube talking about it all the time with dividend paying stocks quarterly, annually, and monthly. Apple Hospitality REIT, can't talk today. You buy for every 1 share you have, you get 10 cents in return. So you owe 10 shares, you get $1. You own 100 shares, you get $10. So just think about that. You own 10 shares, you own 10 shares, you get $1. 100 shares will give you $10. So every month you would get $10. Now this only costs I think $13. I don't know why I have the price. Go to orders. So the app, so here Ford is $8.89. I'm gonna go to dividends real quick. Let's see. It don't show the price that I bought it for, but Stag is $30, and you get 12 cents per share. So and it pays monthly. So with this Apple REIT, let's see how much this costs. Apple REIT costs. Let's see how much Apple REIT costs. It's $32 a share. So look at the dividends here. $82 a share. So if you get, if you were to get, 10 shares, you make $1, $10. No, $1. About 100 shares, you get $10 a month. So you get $10 a month. So I guess $120. No, $120 a year. So it will pay for itself in no time. So if you buy 100 stocks, it'll pay for itself over time. Capital Finance is not a real estate REIT. 8 cents per share. Blue Energy Night. Now this is like $1. This is $1.12 cost per share. Look at orders real quick. If I can find this real quickly. Let's see. Yeah, Blue Night is it's only $1.23 per share. Okay, so with this you get 4 cents a quarter. Now that's not a lot of money, but let me tell you a trick to this also. I use cashback apps, and I have these apps where I get money back for scanning my receipts, and then I've already made $1.23 for this, scanning my receipts. When I get that money, I'm buying this stock. I'm gonna keep it forever. So that's free. That's a free stock. Let's just keep on going here. GE, I get 1 cent. Oxford, 1 share, 6 cents. It pays every month. Okay. Bank of China is a good one. I think it's like $10. We get 55 cents every quarter. So I make that money every quarter. Whitestone, 4 is 15 cents per share. A really good dividend to get into. But yeah, I invest in real estate. I invest in oil. I'm gonna invest in oil companies, car companies, and out of the country companies like China, the Bank of China, stuff like that. Because we want to if things go wrong in this country, other countries will do better. And real estate doesn't really go that bad because people need a place to live. So real estate and food, energy is the way to go in my opinion, but invest in what you buy on a regular basis. If you shop at Kroger, buy Kroger stock. If you shop at Walmart, buy Walmart stock. If you love McDonald's, buy McDonald's stock. McDonald's is never going anywhere. So just to show you the dividend payments I have, I'm going to continue to buy dividends, buy these stocks when I get paid. And also, I have the Dosh app. I have these cashback apps that I use, and I get cash back for buying food in the first place. When I go to Sam's Club, I get $3 or $4 back every time. Well, that's a pile over months. That's a piles up. Now I have $40 free money for buying food I normally buy anyway. I get that $40 to buy me 4 or 5 of these stocks, free money, and I get paid a dividend every month or every quarter. So this is my portfolio here, and this is what I do. So thanks for watching this video. I won't make it too long. I will do an update video of this as well. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the videos, and please, if you're interested in buying stocks, I'm gonna put out more videos on stocks. What stocks did I buy? Why I buy them? Because my ultimate goal is to make $500 per month with stocks. I'm gonna get money, $500 per month, passively. Me not doing anything, I'm gonna get that passively, and then it can be done. And then the good news is, I make that $500 passively, I can just take $250 for myself, take another $250 and buy more stocks. Cause next month I'm gonna get another $500 payment. The next month, $500 payment. I can take out half my money, buy more stocks, and take $250 for myself. Of course, you gotta pay tax on that money, but $500 a month is passive. So yeah, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and again, if you want to get into Robinhood, below the video I have a link to that as well. Thanks for watching.